what is an AI agent? Let's start with the strict technical definition. An AI agent is a system that perceives its environment, reasons about how to achieve a goal, and uses tools to take action. This is the academic answer. Now let's translate that into plain English. To understand an agent, you have to understand what we have right now. A large language model like ChatGPT. Think of a standard LLM as a brain in a jar. It is incredibly smart. It knows facts, history, and code, but it is trapped. It cannot touch the world. If you ask it to buy you a pizza, it can write a script for ordering pizza, but it physically cannot click the order button. An AI agent is that same brain, but we have given it arms and eyes. The eyes allow it to perceive, see websites, read emails, and look at data files. The arms allow it to use tools, click buttons, type text, open applications, and execute code. The difference is simple. A chatbot is passive. It waits for you to talk, and it talks back. An agent is active. You give it a goal, and it goes out to do the work for you. Let's look at a concrete example. Booking a flight. In scenario A, you have the chatbot. You ask, find me a flight to London for under $600. The chatbot says, I cannot browse live flight data, but I recommend checking Expedia or Google Flights. The result is that you still have to do the work. In scenario B, you have the AI agent. You give the agent the goal, book me a flight to London for under $600. Here is what the agent does automatically. It uses a tool to open a web browser. It navigates to a specific travel site. It types in your dates and destination, it reads the results, and it reasons the flight is 800. Too expensive. The flight is 500. That works. It takes action. It fills in your passenger details and prepares the checkout. The agent comes back to you only when the task is done, saying, I found a flight for $550. Click here for payment confirmation. This is the core difference. We are moving from prompt engineering, where we figure out what to ask the machine, to goal delegation, where we tell the machine what we want done and it figures out how to do it. An agent isn't just a chat box that talks, it's a system that works. If this helped you understand things a bit clear, make sure to hit the like, subscribe, and drop a comment below letting me know what other AI concepts you want to see broken down. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.